Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Fairmount, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance move is more than 50 miles from your current location. It's advisable to hire only trustworthy and reputable movers for your long-distance relocation. You can rely on 3 Movers to plan and conduct your long-distance moves, and we have a professional working relationship with state and federal regulatory bodies, both in charge of the relocation. These authorities regulate interstate and interstate relocation and ensure the safety of residents' belongings. We also follow all the verification processes and have done all the necessary registration under these authorities. So we have a valid permit to transport your belongings. Also, we have put adequate insurance in place to cover risks throughout the move. Our movers, drivers, and every one of our staff are all well trained. They are also extra cautious when sorting, arranging, and loading belongings when they deal with our clients. Our moving trucks are also adequate for long-distance trips, and our drivers are obedient to all the rules regarding the highway. Local moves are less expensive than long-distance moves, and they are not complicated either. But do not make the mistake of making proper preparations or conducting a DIY move. You need an efficient moving company to help you draw out a fail-proof plan for your local moves. 3 Movers offers exceptional local moves in Fairmount, Indiana, and we know all the minor and major routes in the city and provide fast delivery. We charge as low as $30 to $40 per hour. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Fairmount moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. Request a free quote using our online request form.